What is up, guys?
Here.
Rem God here. I'm with Ajo, known as Ajo. And today we're going to be doing the hot wing challenge. Now these are Def Wings. If you guys don't believe me, oh god dang. If you guys don't believe me, I have a receipt on Facebook. So if you guys want to see, look me up. Why would you tip it sideways like that, baby? Why would you tip it sideways like that? Grab it.
Oh, they fell out. Some of them did.
Hold on. Oh my god, baby. Why would... Oh, so op.
Alright, we're good.
Dude, you dropped all the juice.
We're good.
Alright, we so grub. Alright, we lost all that. Yo, what are you doing? Put them right there.
Mama, I just watched that.
You out, baby. There's all shit on there. Out, baby.
Hold on. Let me go get a napkin.
Yeah, go grab a napkin. Oh my god. Y'all don't think we could drip anything on there? Yeah, you just gotta throw that out. What? So this is the Def Wings challenge. Now I'll get back with you guys when I set everything up, alright? Alright, here are Def Wings.
And these shit is strong.
Oh my god. This is gonna be hectic. I think this is gonna be hectic. It's gonna be hectic. Alright, man. We got bread in case anything happens. Let's get into this.
Let's get it.
Alright, guys. Let's get it. Oh, shit.
You just moved the whole damn thing. Hold on. Let's see.
Smooth that.
Hold on. Alright.
Check mine. See if mine's okay. Is it fine?
Yep.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, guys. Let's get it.
Alright, guys. It's about to be super hot.
Alright, these are Def Wings. Uncle Melvin said. Uncle Derek said. Well, Uncle Derek said he would sponsor me or whatever to eat some Def Wings, but I was like, nah, let me just do it myself.
We're about to be crying.
Alright, my Uncle Melvin said to buy some Def Wings. We wouldn't even eat a lot, but let's get it.
Damn, Daniel. Is it hot, Daniel?
It's just fucking hot. Don't say you're hot first, yo.
They're fucking hot as fuck.
I got the juice in the back of my throat. I'm already starting to tear up.
No, shit. Hot as fuck. Fuck this shit.
Rub me, raw.
I don't care how much I get on my face. But the grill.
Yo, I got it in the back of my throat. If I start to cry, or anything.
I know, I'm turned up already. Hot as fuck. Nigga, why you fucking eating like that?
I don't know. Fuck this girl. Alright, that's it.
This might be a long video.
Yeah. Any cuts or anything, you fucked. Oh, you know, you gotta keep on eating, dude. After it, like, if you stop talking stuff, it burns your mouth.
My fucking tongue's burning like a bitch.
I think it should be 10 times hotter. Until you fucking got right off the shit and we eat them right there.
I don't fucking know, but I'm about to quit.
I'm starting to feel it.
Yeah, I've been felt it. Hot as fuck.
We got some bread, about to do some head. My nigga, let's get it. My shit burns. You know, my gums are starting to burn.
I don't know about that, but tongue's burning.
Oh, shit. I don't fucking burn. Go, nigga, go.
Fucking crying. I'm not crying, turn it up.
Grub, nigga, grub. You don't fucking move around. My fucking tongue.
I'm gonna get some bread.
Got some bread.
You need some bread, nigga?
Nah, I'm fucking sleep. some bread. Get some head. Bread. Bread. Oh, God.
Oh, fuck.
I am right. You guys fucking good fuck. Yo, we need drinks. Some drinks. We'll keep on growing and get way higher.
We need milk.
Where's some milk? Yo, should I pause both our videos? Alright, guys, we are back. It's a quick break. Had that young milk.
Hot as fuck.
Alright, let's grow. Rem God mode. My nigga. Grub.
That thing's burning like a bitch. I don't know if I can grow. Drum.
Alright, back.
Dude, this shit's fucking.
Fire.
Oh yeah.
Oh. That's a spicy. I said that for no reason. I can't do that. I had to pick my freaking.
Rubbing.
Bro. Goddamn. Bro.
I'm full.
Fuck, I ain't. I'm about to grub. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, guys. Saucy ass motherfucker. It's on milk, nigga. It's on milk. Grub, nigga, grub.
I'm fucking full. I ate like 3 pieces of pizza yes earlier. No, I ate 2.
Eat some hot wings.
I already ate fucking 7. You already ate 4.
Pause it.
Yeah, I think I throw up.
I'll go first. Alright, guys, I'm back. Best Angels. Full as fuck. What? My mouth's burning like a motherfucker. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wings left. That means we both had at least 6.
No, you didn't.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6. You must have 6 too. Both got the same amount. Alright, let's get this. Back to grubbing.
No, I have more than you. No, I'm so full.
I'm ready. You gonna sit right here? These wings are some badass wings. I'm gonna eat like this weird one. Alright. My record was 9. Break this shit. Goddamn. Fucking this one won't come off. No, it sounds out. Yo.
Dude, I want to do it, but my stomach. My muffin doesn't burn that much. It's my stomach is so.
His stomach mixed with hot shit and fucking milk.
And pizza.
Pizza.
Cause I ate pizza earlier before you came here, and I'm so I want to go throw up so I can eat more, but
Throw up. It's not burning throat.
I know.
You know.
Cause my mouth doesn't really burn no more. I just I feel like throwing up. Hold on, how many did I eat? I ate 1, 2. I ate 6. Yeah. How many did you eat?
This is my 9th one.
It's not your 9th.
Yes. Count 'em.
Yeah, right.
Count 'em.
Let's see.
Count 'em. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How did I get some?
It's not your 9th one.
I'm gonna. We must 8-13.
Because I ate 6. That's not your 9th one.
No, that's only like my 8th one. Your son. Oh.
I ate 6. I didn't touch that. I ate 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 7. 7. Dude, we just got fucked up like simple math.
No, you ate 6.
Pop. If you ate 6, and we have 13 left. What do you say?
Oh yeah, you ate 7. That's your 7th one or 8th one?
8.
Yeah, that's your 8th. I ate 6. I went to my room, my mouth was burning so fucking. It was burning so bad. That shit makes you want to cry.
My nose. And my stomach right now is getting mixed with the milk and the hot sauce. Like, fucking feel that
I
shit.
feel like you want to throw up. That's how I feel. I ate, I think, 2 or 3 pieces of pizza right before you came here. I want to wait for my stomach to go down.
Goddamn.
Yeah. So you're in your 7th one right now?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's your 7th. I feel like I want to throw up.
Alright, guys. That's been the end of the video. Now, these are my ass wings. These are what you're rating on these wings.
Fucking 10.
From a 1
10.
to 100.
10.
1 to 100 on hotness level. I rate this shit 88.
Oh, that's your 13? Hold on. That's your 7th one.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's my 7th. So I rate this shit 88 out of 100. Cause I'm pretty sure there's a lot of hot more shit than this. Duff wings, they may be the hottest wings in Niagara Falls, New York. The hottest shit. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
This is for you, Dequest. You ate 7, I want to eat 7.
I'll see you guys next one. Don't forget to fan out. Peace out.
Alright, guys. He ate 7. I'm not real boy.